So we are at the Vibecode Arena platform where we are gonna challenge this particular LLM. This is a proper playground where you can actually challenge the challenge the LLM, and LLM will try to enhance their model as much as they can. You will see the original challenges over here. You just don't need to worry about anything. You have to go to Vibecode Arena platform just like this. We'll search on the Google and we'll click on this particular website over here. Even though you can go to this link, this is officially handled by HackerEarth. So watch LLMs go head to head in real time. Vote for the best and level up your AI intuitions. So there's a lot of challenges over here where you can challenge the LLMs, and LLM will improve themselves again and again on the basis of this particular thing. For an example, there is a lot of winning model and everything written over here with the help of responses, scores, and build a snake ludo game and build a snake ludo game that is already ready. Design a system. These are the challenges over here. Okay, so we can even play with do it as well. There is a lot of challenges. You can search of these challenges as well, and we will click on this particular challenge. We had build me a very simple JavaScript browser game that works inside a sandpack environment. Use exactly three files: index.html, size, and script.js. Nice. Make test iterate, and you just have to see the original challenge. This is the original challenge have been created by AI, game state and everything, script.js already. Just three particular thing have been created. You can use different models over here. For an example, as you can see the output as well, we'll see the output over here. This particular output has been created by AI, and no modification yet. Make changes using the LLM or edit the code directly. You can edit the code directly manually over here when you can use LLM as well. For an example, you can use LLM as well for make this very catchy and attractive. UI is very basic. Improve the UI, please. For an example, this is the normal LLM prompt. We can even improve or optimize a prompt as well. We are using Gamma 34B IT model, LLM model, and there is LLM modification is ongoing right now. We can challenge LLM on the basis of their improvement day by day, challenges by challenges. We can submit our code for review or something. For an example, it is working and LLM modification is working right now. And after the work, it will work. So basically, why do you need to participate in Vibecode Arena? First of all, it is officially handled and founded by HackerEarth, and HackerEarth is the most prestigious website in terms of coding or something. I know in your life you maybe you had solved any type of DSA questions or something on HackerEarth. Even I have my personal experience into that. I have also solved some DSA questions over there. So the this is the particular website where this particular website gives users or developers different kinds of opportunities to grow and prove their abilities or skills. So that is why Vibe Code Arena is the best arena platform where you can vibe code as much as you can, and this particular thing will enhance the LLM model as well, and even your thinking capability as well, that how much far and far you can think. So this is generating code changes, and this is in progress, and later it will particular thing. I'll initiate the challenge, I'll submit the challenge, then I'll tell you what was my experience into that. Okay, so I had taken the challenge and it was very amazing. Where you actually know that if you have to compete with LLM, for an example, if LLM is generating some code on the Sudoku application or snake and ladder application it is making, you have given a prompt that using this particular three files, just create a snake and ladder game, simple and easy. For example, there is a bug, or the UI is not optimized, or it is not working properly as it could be. So you can actually give code manually and check the code manually and tell the LLM or challenge the LLM to grow or optimize more, because even though most of the people don't know how to give prompt actually, but you have to tell them, you have to tell LLM to improve as much as you can. So basically this particular thing learn on the reinforcement task. These all are the things called reinforcement learning. If you guys don't know about reinforcement learning in machine learning, so reinforcement learning is basically the machine gets rewards whenever it does something right thing, and if machine do something wrong, machine gets penalty. So this is the particular thing. I hope you guys also challenge on Arena, Vibecode Arena platform. You should come and you will definitely learn something, and even you will challenge LLMs today. So this is the basically main challenge today, to challenge the LLM, large language model. So it can, the LLM could also improve, and your thinking capability with LLM should also improve. So this is the proper thing I was telling you guys. You should participate it. Link is in the description. You must check it out. And I say you with the next challenge. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.